Good job. What the heck? Alright, we back. After this fool. Alright, it's your boy, N.O.G. 8. And what I'm here with, N.O.G. Curvo. You feel me? So right now, we're doing a review. You can leave, I don't even care. Alright, speaking of that, we got the Orbi splatter gun right here. It's already been opened and played with. Pause. I had this for like 2 days now. Yeah, about 2 days. And I'm gonna just show y'all the shooting and how to put stuff together. So yeah. So right now, this is the side of it. This is this side of it. Right here. Right there. This is the other side. So this right here, let me see. This right here is for one shot where it says wood bullet. This right here is for automatic, right there. And it has the same thing on the other side. All right, so forget the background. See, it's already been on the gun. So this is the accessory. This is like to hold it. Let me put it on. This is to hold it like that. If I was you, I actually put this on to help you, like when you aim it, so you ain't gotta go like that, and then as you're shooting, you ain't gotta do one hand. So just keep it like that. And yeah, whatchamacallit? Here's the clip right here. It has Orbis in there already. So put it in this way, and then oh, you might think we're done. No, see, missing right there. You need a battery. It comes with a battery. Don't be scared. It comes with the battery. All you gotta do is take that off from right there in the bottom. And all you gotta do is charge it. So right now, we're gonna put this in there right quick. I'm gonna get back to you when we put it in. Yeah, we back. And then, so right now, we put it in. Make sure this part right here is facing this way to put it in. I think I'm wrong. No. Make sure that is in. Please get this away from water, please. Is it like this? I forgot. Oh, no, it's not. This freaking wire is in the way. Bro, what the freak? There we go. Freak. Alright, so as you put it in, please make sure you don't lose this, because if you lose this, as long as this is on, it's not, if this not on, it's not gonna be able to shoot. It has to click to make sure that it's on and ready to shoot. So right now. Alright, that's it right now. Whoa, that's not it. But look right here. It has scope right here. Not a scope, but you cannot put a sniper like a beam on it. You're gonna have to wrap it around or something. So here's where you can switch it to make it smaller or bigger. Yeah, this is just to help you. This right here is just to help you aim with it. You feel me? Yep, that's the barrel. So we're about to shoot it right now, and I'm gonna record him shooting it, and I'm gonna shoot it. All right, so N.O.G. Curvo, he finna shoot it right quick. Oh, right there. This is the result. Right there. I did that earlier. Look, this is the results. Right there. So he's finna do me right now. You gotta. This is non-semi-auto, so here, right here. And this is semi-automatic. And make sure, don't be scared. That comes with it. And if I was you, I'd get more bullets, because it tells you, do you want to get more bullets to come with it? It's like $10 or something. So for 50,000 pack, like $10 to $8. So make sure you get that, please. So right now, this is semi-automatic. And this is the results. Right there.
We'll rip the paper a little bit more.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is a little short video, right quick, for me. That's really it. That's all you really need. That's it. It comes with safety goggles in case your parents are concerned of you hitting your eye. Cause see what I just did? You see how he was right there? Do not do that. It's gonna get in your eyes, just like how it did us earlier, me and him earlier. It comes with this, a refiller, like a fast refiller, so you don't have to keep on going like that, then just keep falling out. So it comes with that too. I just wasted 2. It's alright. It's alright. Hold it with your other hand so your hand won't be in the way. Alright. So yeah, comes with that right there. Yeah, that's all it comes with. It doesn't come with it comes with a charging battery already, as you see. Not like a charging battery. You guys get what I mean. It's a USB charger plug, as certain. And yeah, that would be the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. First video on this channel, so let's hope it get over 1K views. And I appreciate y'all for watching. Peace.
So I told her, I know, baby girl, like, do you understand? She followed my IG, I followed her back, and she came to my crib and she took off her panties. She asked me like 10 arguments, I social and I told her, no, girl, I'm socially in.